Nelson Mandela International Day, 18th July. Nelson Mandela International Day or Mandela Day is an annual international day in honor of Nelson Mandela, celebrated each year on 18th July, Mandela's birthday. The day was officially declared by United Nations in November 2009, with the first UN Mandela Day held on 18 July 2010 in New York. On 27 April 2009, the 46,664 concerts and the Nelson Mandela Foundation invited the global community to join them in support of an official Mandela Day. Mandela Day is not meant as a public holiday, but as a day to honor the legacy of Nelson Mandela, South Africa's former president, and his values through volunteering and community service. Mandela Day is a global call to action that celebrates the idea that each individual has the power to transform the world, the ability to make an impact. The Mandela Day campaign message is: Nelson Mandela has fought for social justice for 67 years. We are asking you to start with 67 minutes. We would be honored if such a day can serve to bring together people around the world to fight poverty and promote peace, reconciliation, and cultural diversity, according to a statement issued on Mandela's behalf. To mark the first global celebration of Mandela Day on 18 July 2009, Mandela's 91st birthday, a series of educational, art exhibit, fundraising, and volunteer events leading up to a concert at Radio City Music Hall on 18th July were organized by the 46,664 Concerts and the Nelson Mandela Foundation. In November 2009, the United Nations General Assembly formally declared 18 July to be Nelson Mandela International Day. About Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born as Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela in Transkei, South Africa on 18 July 1918. When he was 12 years old, his father died, so he became a ward of Jogintaba at the great place of Mqhekezweni. For his BA degree, he went to the University College of Fort Hare, but he didn't receive his degree due to the protest of students that he had joined. As a result, he was expelled from the college. Then he went back to the great place at Mqhekezweni, where the king threatened him that if he will not complete his degree, he will not going to arrange a marriage for him. Due to this, he ran to Johannesburg, where he worked as a mine security officer. Eventually, he had completed his studies through the University of South Africa and received his BA degree. In 1940, he became a member of African National Congress Party, and later he became leader in number of peaceful protests against white minority regime in South Africa. In 1963, he was imprisoned in Robben Island, Cape Town in South Africa for leading the liberation movement against apartheid and for his stance on the human right to live in freedom. His prison number was 466. Even the Robben Island prisoners were never referred by their names but by their numbers. Mandela number was 46,664. In 1990, he was released from imprisonment and contributed towards a multiracial democracy in South Africa. In 1994, due to his efforts, he was elected as the President of South Africa. Therefore, he became the first black president of South Africa. Till 1999, he remained president. In 1993, he won Nobel Peace Prize together with another former South African president, Frederick William de Klerk. Mandela formed the Elders, an independent group of global leaders in 2007 who offer their influence and experience to support peace building, help address major human suffering causes, and promote the shared interest of humanity. He died in 2013. To honor Nelson Mandela, various statues and civic tributes have been made, like a statue in Mandela's image at Nelson Mandela Square in Johannesburg, South Africa. Even a bridge known as Nelson Mandela Bridge is also found in Johannesburg. Postage stamp has also dedicated to Nelson Mandela as well as various musical tributes in previous times. How is the day celebrated? On this day, if people find injustice in neighborhood, city or state, they do everything to alleviate the problem. People work in soup kitchens, march with protesters, volunteer in local organizations, and work to help bring about civil liberties for everyone.